any idea what this is? Let's take a look at this pen phone. This is from Blackbear A1 pen phone. It has Bluetooth, flashlight, camera, MP3 player, and you can use it as a pen to even voice recording. That's how it looks. It even comes in few colors. These are some of the features. You get a dual SIM. It even has FM radio, SD card support. Battery is 550 mAh. This costs around 2000 rupees or $25 or so. So let's see how it looks. You get a micro USB to charge the phone and 3 refills for the pen. That's where the pen is. You get a keyboard and a display. That's where the speaker and microphone are. That's where you charge it from. That's the LED torch. This is how you install the SIM. You get this tiny battery. That's where the SIMs go. It's a dual SIM phone. That's the camera. So let's turn it on. The keyboard is backlit. That's how the display looks. That's the UI. These are some of the features. You get a camera. You press 5 to take the picture. The camera is quite a low quality one, but it works. That's the image viewer. It can even do video recording, video player, audio player, sound recording, FM radio. These are some of the tools it has. It has magic voice, where you can change your voice while speaking on the phone. Alarm, wall clock, and torchlight. Some settings. This is a Bluetooth dialer. You can connect it to a wireless headphone. That's how it looks when you dial. You can use this as a phone or connect this as a Bluetooth device and make a call that way too. You can also get to some of the settings by long pressing these buttons. That's to turn on Bluetooth, silent mode, and this is the pen part. Tricky to remove the cap. That's how the pen looks. That's the refill. Works as a pen. Quite an interesting pen phone. It has no games in it and no calculator. Little surprised by that. Not really practical to use though, but quite a fun one. Or you can use this as a second phone that you don't mind losing. Quite nice. Check it out.